Kitschy cats and kittens. Hello, this is Erica from Kitschy Kitten Studio. Thank you for being here. I have a bit of a different video for you today. I wanted to share an unboxing of sorts. I won a custom tumbler from Shell at Heart of It All Custom Creations. She had a 9,000 subscriber giveaway and asked for ideas for her next tumbler. The winner would not only get to see the tumbler made in a video, but would then get that tumbler at the end. And let me tell you, I never win anything. Like it's so rare. So I was chosen as the winner, nearly fell out of my chair, but I was so excited. So I chose a jewel toned geode tumbler. I love geodes. I love geode artwork. And I thought, why not put it on a tumbler? I've seen other people do it, and I knew she would do a great job. Sorry for the arm of my phone mount being in the way. It's in like the perfect spot for my crafting, so I don't want to move it. And I don't really have a better setup, so I apologize. But I have the tumbler here. It came yesterday, and I actually haven't taken it out of the box yet. I'm really excited, so I thought I would share that with you. Of course, I saw the video and I did see pictures of it, but we all know that pictures and videos just doesn't really do justice to things that have glitter and are very colorful and sparkly. So I can't wait to see it in person. So let's get to it. It is a Hog brand 20-ounce skinny tumbler. These are actually the ones that I use the most as well. These can be found at stainlesssteeldepot.com. They're great tumblers. I don't have a discount code or anything like that. I'm so sorry, but I did want to share where it's from because I really like their tumblers. So first of all, the first thing that came with it is the stainless steel straw and also a cleaner for the straw. So that's pretty cool. I like that you get those fun extras. Okay. Oh, no way. You guys look. Oh, that's so pretty. It has the most amazing sparkle. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Okay, so you can see this is a side with like the pinks and the purples, and it's got silver outlining. The back of it is black glitter, which I love. And then this side has teals and blues. It's so pretty. And this side does go along the bottom as well. That's so cool. I can't wait to use this. I'm gonna have to find a way to keep it out of the hands of my daughters because they're gonna want to steal this from me for sure. Shell, thank you so very much. I can't thank you enough. This is really special. It's the first tumbler I've ever gotten from anyone else, and I can't wait to use it every single day and use it as inspiration for my own tumblers and my own crafting. All right, well, cats and kittens, that's about it for now. Thank you so much for being here. Take care, be well, and I'll see you soon. Bye.